Hi everyone, today in this video we will see how you can delete or forget Wi-Fi network profile in Windows. To do it in Windows 10, simply go to Windows settings, then click on network and internet, then click on Wi-Fi, click on manage known networks. Here you will see all the network profiles listed. Simply click on it and click on forget to remove them. Once done, simply click on the network icon in the taskbar and connect to your desired Wi-Fi again. To do the same in Windows 11, simply go to Windows settings, click on network and internet, click on Wi-Fi, click on manage known networks. Here you will see all the Wi-Fi profiles listed. Simply click on the forget option here to remove them. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.